Yeah, I'm about to make him disappear. I don't wanna see no tears. This is only the beginning. Losing is my only fear. Take some time away from my peers. Started working hard for my career. Now it's safe to say a lot and clear. Yeah, I'm the rookie of the year. 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 Yeah, I'm the rookie of the year. Take some time away from all my peers.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jaleesa Graham. Yes, this is a little bit different intro. Look, sis is outside, y'all. I got outside, y'all, away from the kids. Amen. Okay. If you're new, I welcome you. If you're returning, look, that's my friend. If you're returning, I love you as well. I got invited by P&G to the Global Citizen Festival. That is Lauryn Hill. Yes, it was a celebration. 50 years of hip hop. It was just amazing. I did a photo shoot for OLAY and P&G gave me VIP tickets to this. Look, y'all, I was in the VIP section, free drinks, free hors d'oeuvres, right in the front, y'all. Like, it was just an amazing night. I had a +1. I invited my friend. Like, it was really turned up.
Hey guys, it is midnight. I know you can't see me. It's dark. It's 12:17. I'm so tired. When I tell y'all I go to bed at night, like, I do not go out much. I do not stay up late. I'm so tired, but it was so much fun. I'm gonna do a reel, so I try to be in the moment, but also get the content. But I think I might continue this vlog until tomorrow. Take you guys with me when we go to the aquarium, because I didn't film as much, but I also had to film real material and material for like the brand for posting. So I also wanted to make sure I did that, as well as film a little bit of the content for you guys on YouTube. But then I'm also trying to be in the moment. I actually saw one of my friends that I went to high school with, my girlfriend that went with me to this event, to the festival. She went to high school with me, and then we saw one of our friends that models that also went to our high school. So it was really fun, like, catching up with everyone. We met a lot of people. It was very chill. Like, it was very fun, y'all. I do not get out much, so it was such a fun night. Everybody was cool and just chilling and friendly. It was like a good group of people. They had okay, so Lauryn Hill, the best, my favorite performance of the night. Killed it. I loved it. She looked so beautiful. She was giving off queen vibes. Like, her outfit, the umbrella, everything she had was just like, she did that. My favorite was Lauryn Hill, no doubt. The Red Hot Chili Peppers closed the show. I know of them, but I don't know of that. Like, I don't know them as much as, like, I know Lauryn Hill's music. But they were very good, and one of the members was so fun. Like, he had a green hat on, and he was just like all over the stage. Like, he looks like he's like the big personality of the group. I don't know much about that group, but they did good. Everyone did good. Who else was there? Chris Rock was there. Busta Rhymes came out. It was really fun, guys. I had such a good time. They had hors d'oeuvres. I was in the VIP group, so it was like open bar, unlimited liquor, unlimited hors d'oeuvres. Then they had a buffet. Like, it was such a good night, y'all. And I've been there all day because I took the 12 o'clock noon train, and we've been there all day, y'all. It was really fun. I've never been to a festival before, but it was really fun. So I thank you so much to P&G for inviting me, and Becky from my OLAY family and P&G. I want to say thank you guys for inviting me and just thinking of me, because it was such a fun night. It was so fun, y'all. It was so fun. I just want to take a hot shower and go in bed. It was so fun. Like, like, as a mom, you don't get out much. Like, your life is like your kids. I mean, some some moms get out, but like if you don't have a village like me, you don't have people I'm sorry guys, that like around you that can watch your kids for you, or like a big family or things like that, then it's just you and your kids. So I don't really be getting out much, you know. So I really had a good time. It's way past my bedtime, y'all. I will get back with you guys, and we are gonna head over to the aquarium. In the morning I'm gonna pick up my godson, and we gonna go over there. The aquarium invited us, and we're gonna film some content for them. And this is an aquarium that we've been to before, and I actually really do like it. And we're gonna have some fun, y'all. So I'll see y'all in the morning time. Bye bye. Y'all can't see me anyway, but here, let me see. There you go, a little bit. But it's dark. It's midnight, y'all. It's like 12:30 now. But I'm almost home. I'm so tired, but I had so much fun, guys. I had so much fun. And then I also have a reel that I'm gonna make of my day at the festival. So make sure you guys are following me over there. I'm really tired, y'all. I'm almost home, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. I need to go to bed. I'm so tired. Bye-bye.
You can watch me glow.
Jace, can I see your glasses? Because you look so cute. Oh my goodness. Are you going to keep...
And then we'll get in wet right now.
Yeah, mine too. Look at my glasses. They're getting wet because it's raining. That's the struggle.
See.
Yes, you can. It's a little bit of water. He's too cute. I like your book bag. I like everything you got going on, Jace. Oh. Jace, you're too funny. All right, y'all, I want to give a quick thank you to the Adventure Aquarium because they gave us free tickets so that we would be able to go today, and I really appreciate it. We had a great time. Let's get back to the video. Jaycee, look. Jaycee, say hey.
I think the fishies eat it. Oh, the turtle's coming. Don't cook the shark, eats it. Oh, look, she's gonna carve it. They're gonna carve a pumpkin underwater?
Oh, look, they're carving a pumpkin, I guess. How'd you wash it?
Right in the water.
Okay. Jace, Mojo. Jaycee, look. Ooh, how beautiful, right? Yeah. I took a picture of the mermaid. Look at the fish. All right, let's go.
Flashing lights when the DJ's spinning, everybody out on the dance floor singing. Give me love and give me life when the DJ's spinning, everybody out on the dance floor singing. Hey oh, way oh, summer love makes me feel alright. These are the best days of my life.
The shark is out there.
The shark is not our friend.
Uh-oh. I'm coming.
Uh-oh.
Hey, big, wait.
A net that you're walking on.
I'm not doing that.
Stay here.
No!
There's like a little bit of sharks in there. You could probably swim out before they even catch you.
They're so, I'm gonna swim faster than a shark.
Yes, you could. This is little tiny shark. This is not like.
no, Nick, yes.
Look how big
See
that
the song.
is. Right? You don't say this is?
No.
Look how big it is.
Why is that? No, you're not.
Mommy, how big it is. You see how big that is, Jace?
No.
I said big stinky.
You're almost done. Hey, sharks. Say bye, sharks. I'm leaving. You say bye to the sharks, Jace? Bye, sharks. Go ahead, Gabe. Yay, you did it. Go. Yay! How much does this cost? Oh my gosh, $15, bro.
You're gonna like. I'm gonna give it to the baby. You hit in the baby's body.
Nicholas, pull her mom. $15.
Oh, buzz you to the dungeon. Oh, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you.
Let me see. Let me see. Wow.
Here, Mom. Here, you're a bad guy.
I'm a bad guy?
Yeah.
What I gotta do with this?
Don't wind it up because you both.
Nick, put it back.
Mine,
All right.
take this one.
Thank you. It's a squishy ball. Look, they got candies. You want to get a squishy toy like this? We used to have this and we broke
A
it.
Krabby Patty.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that again.
All right, guys, we're home. Hope you liked the vlog, popcorn, and a family movie night. We'll see you next time. Here is Nick and Gabe. Gabe has been getting Nick all day with the I like your cut, G. If you know, you know. If you have boys. And Nick is about to get him back. I like your cut, G.